an unboxing of these light bulbs. It's called Philips wireless light bulbs, and it's Siri activated by the Apple TV. So we can be like, hey Siri, turn the lights on or turn the lights off. But you do not need an Apple TV. It can be controlled by an iPhone, iPad, or a HomePod. Unboxing this right here. We bought this from Amazon. It's around $100, and you can get it from the Apple Store, but I recommend Amazon because it's a lot cheaper. Oops, and a bridge and some cables right here to connect them. These are the power plugs, and this is the Ethernet cable. You connect the bridge to the router, and the light bulbs are still wireless. Let me explain to you how you connect it. First, you connect the bridge to the router with the Ethernet cable. Then you download the Hue app, and it's totally free. Open the app, press and hold the button on the bridge. Follow the instructions on the screen. Put the bulb, open the Home app, and connect it. Connecting the bridge to the router right now. This is the app, and this is the screen recording of the setup. You'll find the setup code on the back of the bridge. To set it up, you have to download Hue app.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 bulbs, only 4 of them are smart bulb. So I'll do a demonstration how Siri works. Hey Siri, turn off the lights.
Okay.
So you can see Siri turned off the light. Now I'll just turn them on. Hey Siri, turn on the lights.
Okay.
It can dim the light. Hey Siri, dim the light to 10%.
Okay. I set all of the lights to 10%.
Bright the light to 40%.
Okay. I set all of the lights to 40%.
100%.
Okay. I set all of the lights to 100%.
So this was a small demonstration of the smart lights. Obviously pretty cool. You can control them. When my mom keeps on telling me to turn off the lights, I don't have to be down here. I can be upstairs and then be like, hey Siri, turn off the lights. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up the moon lights. Moon, that's what it said.